interpretation of the constitution, it was held in this case that sexual harassment was a clear violation of rights provided under Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. Relying on CEDAW, an international instrument to which India is a signatory, the court laid down the historic Vishakha guidelines, and this is the very important question from the judiciary examination point of view, which is generally asked as to which case pertains to the Vishakha versus state of Rajasthan. Second case is of State versus Ram Singh and others, which in short and popularly known as Nirbhaya rape case. Everyone knows these facts, and it was held in this case that the barbaric and gruesome Nirbhaya incident sparked hue and cry for the need of establishment of stricter rape laws in the country, which is the result of this case. The social outrage was ignited by the sexual violation and general mutilation of an innocent girl. The court was clear in stating that the crime committed by the accused was not deserving of any sympathy as it shook the conscience of the society. Supreme Court bench of 3 judges unanimously upheld death penalty of all the accused when who exploited the victim's identity and dignity. The crime touched the rarest of rare threshold and is by far the worst our nation has ever seen in the past times. The judges went on to observe the following on the issue of women rights, such as public at large, in particular men, are to be sensitized on gender justice. The battle for gender justice can be won only with strict implementation of legislative provisions. Sensitization of public. Taking other proactive steps at all levels for combating violence against women and ensuring widespread attitudinal changes and comprehensive change in the existing mindset. We hope that this incident will pave the way for the same. Next important case is of Lakshmi versus Union of India. In light of increasing acid attacks and easy availability of acid, the Supreme Court was called out to issue directives for the prevention of such incidents by imposing restrictions on the sale of acids. As we generally know, a movie was also made on this concept with case law and this facts, which is prepared and made and directed by our prominent actor Akshay Kumar. In this case, the court instructed the governments at both levels to chalk out a plan and prohibit the unauthorized sale of acids across the nation. It also went ahead to declare that all victims shall be provided compensation and rehabilitation by the respective governments. This decision paved way for the legislature to introspect and enforce harsher punishment for the offenders committing such horrendous crimes. And it has also been assured by way of this judgment that the provisions made for that purpose in the Indian Penal Code regarding acid attacks shall be formulated and be followed unanimously without any discrimination between the person, so that everyone will get the justice according to its needs. Another next case is of India Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala. That case, it was held that a constitutional bench of Supreme Court headed by our Chief Justice of India Deepak Mishra lifted the age-old ban on the entry of women between the ages of 10 to 50 inside the Sabrimala temple, where Lord Ayappa is worshipped. The long-awaited judgment was pronounced amid protest in the state of Kerala. Devotion and faith must not be subjected to gender discrimination as analyzed by the honorable judges. Stereotyping menstruating women in the present times would permit the religious patriarchy to flourish, and the restriction on entry was deemed as a violation of the right to worship of women as assured by our Indian Constitution in the Article 14 and Article 25 respectively. This decision advanced gender justice and equality in a very most significant manner. Another and fifth most important case is of on the gender equality is Joseph Shine versus Union of India. In that case, it was held that the constitutional validity of Section 497 of IPC, which belongs to the adultery, was challenged in this PIL filed under Article 32 of the Constitution. The section was argued to be gender discriminatory as it only criminalized adultery committed by men and not women. So this concept at that time was a gender neutral laws which was found to be absent in the aforementioned provision. The apex court went ahead to decriminalize it was as destroying the dignity of women. Then thereafter it was observed by the judges that such provisions which place a woman subordinate to a man in marriage or otherwise must be done away with in order to advance equality, which has been held in that cases, namely as Joseph Shine versus Union of India. So friends, these are the most important judgments which is based on the gender equality. So friends, I hope you like this video, and if you deems fit at that this video is informative for you and you have new first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that as soon as the video is uploaded on this channel you will get timely updates, so that everyone will know the law and know your rights and become your lawyer on itself. I hope friends you watching this video. Thanks for watching this vlog, and let's meet with another new topics video.